For those of you here and ready to rock and roll, let's take a look at a couple of ideas. I'm going to show, this chart first, and then we'll look at a couple of others. Support has been found for now, temporarily. There are a couple of things that we want to note. You're going to leave chips on the table today if you are playing. That's inevitable when we get these crazy ranges. The most important thing is, obviously, if you're going the wrong way and digging yourself into a hole, stop digging. Turn your mind around, relax, and then see if you believe there's a good odds for another trade, and for what objective. I suggested early that this 32-ish was an ideal buy point, and I showed the reasons why. And I also said at that time, let's use the idea of this 48 as the first primary resistance target if we were able to take out the overnight high. First, we've got to resolve that range first. So now we have gone from low to high intraday. So theoretically, pullbacks can be bought. We also know that we're still inside yesterday's range, and that's an idea that needs to play out. This was a deep pullback. We had a just turn the corner, starts back slowly, bounces. I said, make sure you are paid by this double back in here. Bounces up. I said, maybe they want to close near that 50, the end of the month. And then that last leg just, boom, drops like a stone. We come back, we hold, and this was very fast. So we're still re-auctioning this range. So the obvious is this high right here. All right. That's the first key consideration, that the longs need to break that and bust some stops. So that's their target. We already know that. So with some respect, you have to consider, if you are long playing in this contra, that 48 to 49-ish, that's where you want to make sure you are paid. And that's why this was a target. It leaves a little breathing room, leaves a little bit of range between here and there, and we know we can get above that. We also know we can even get above yesterday's high. This was can we go back and find support, and then get everybody who's thinking that this is a bearish phenomenon making a new high to start looking short side, and now they're being squeezed. Target 48, we said, should be the first significant target if we can get above 45. So 45 would be a key. We'll show those relationships, and we'll show the reasons why. This will probably be put out later for the public, so I'm not showing all of our tools. That's silly. But we said early today, this is the buy, the correct buy. We showed the charts. Buy this. And if you do, you're not thinking home run at the time. You're just thinking, okay, this is the convenient trade. Better odds to be buying there than selling there. And once we start up this road, we don't know how far that's going to go. Nobody knows. That's the art of trading, is trying to assess risk and reward. Paid by 48, time and price. If you have made something already today, if you've made something yesterday, you probably don't even need to do anything else the rest of the day. That's up to you. Harvey, that was very nice of you to say that, by the way. I really appreciate your comment. Really getting to understand how the boys play these games to screw as many uninformed participants as possible with your insights and Zeke's commentary and system. Thank you so much. That's very nice. I appreciate that acknowledgement. Like I said with yesterday's golf analogy, where's Howie? Where's Howie? Oh, nice shot. This is not easy. You know what we are algorithms. We try to think like a bot. We try to say what are the best odds. All right, let's go to a couple other charts. We're going to be open up soon.